Users gain professional photography knowledge and only need to follow the on-screen prompts to complete the shooting. Self-service photo booths are generally placed in high-traffic areas, such as shopping malls, train stations, airports, etc., and can be used by users at any time. Once completed, the photo can be printed immediately, saving users waiting time. In addition to paper photos, self-service photo booths can also provide electronic versions of photos for users to store and share. Supports the shooting of ID photos of various specifications, such as passports, driver's licenses, visas, etc.